Hey everybody. So, doing a drive here, and I'm in Utah, and let me just give you a glimpse so you can check it out. It is crazy snow. There are several snow trucks hitting the roads, and it's nuts. Anyways, I've been driving for over an hour, and I am looking for something to do, which probably isn't the best idea, seeing as I'm driving, but we're okay because I'm going a mile per hour. And anyways, I was thinking to myself, I could, I guess, show you some of the voiceovers that I'm hoping to do. Well, not the voiceovers that I'm gonna do, but a glimpse of the voices that I can do. Some impersonations, stuff like that. So, I'm not gonna tell you they're good, not gonna tell you they're bad. But bear with me. These are to kind of put into my video game, Rebelution, Demo 1. Go ahead, check out the video. It'll be on the same channel. If you're not stoked about it already, get stoked, because it's going to be awesome. It's a 2D platformer. I can't really compare it to anything because it's its own breed. I've heard a couple other people say other video games, but I've never played them. So this one's going to be awesome. Got some high projects for it. Anyways, glimpse of the voices. I'll be doing a lot of the voices, I'm assuming, because I'm doing a lot of the other parts of the video game, and I've got the skills to do it. I'm gonna nail this. Anyways, I'm gonna show you some of the voices. I'm just gonna tell you a little bit about my drive-in to work, I guess. Hopefully nobody's like staring at me like, what the weirdo? Anyways, okay there. So Kermit the Frog here, and I am going into to work. And it's some pretty bad roads. Yep. And oh, Kermit, you be careful out there. I don't want my little Kermit to get hurt. Oh, I can help you out there. I'll go get my mouse tools. Oh, toodles.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna help you out too. We'll get you to work there, Zach.
Oh, I'm always to help too. I'm not gonna help and bring you a ball. Yeah, I'm gonna bring you a ball. Hey, while you're driving, if you all want to look into the windows of the other cars, you might be able to see some. You might have found little boys. But don't be too anxious.
Let's see. I'll do some accents for you, or I'll do some French, I guess. Enfin, j'ai conduit pendant plus que 2 heures et je continue à conduire et personne bouge, alors bientôt je vais casser la tête de tout et voilà quoi. Hein. Si tu continues comme ça, tu vas trouver ton chemin. Le Seigneur va te guider. Il est ton frère. Crois en lui avec tout ton cœur. I'll do an English accent. And those who are English, don't make fun of me, because I know there's like a billion. I don't even know which one I'm trying to do. I think it's London or something. But been alright there. Been driving for about 50 minutes or so, and it's just miserable, absolutely miserable. Got my mates and can't find out what we're doing. You've got people driving on the other side of the road. It's absolutely ridiculous. And you've got like this lady here. We've all kind of merged over to one lane, but if you see these couple fellas here, they just think they own the road or something. And so I'm quit chuffing about, get over. I don't know any. Oh, I can do a country accent, I guess. These fellas here. Now, see, we all decided at some point back there that we was gonna get over, and but these, I don't know who they think they are, cause they're just getting on over, doing whatever the heck they want. So I'm about ready to hop in my back, grab my 22 and pop a tire. And I think that might help get people on the right side of the road. maybe even off the road. Now get my work quicker. Anyway, so hope you enjoyed. It's just a couple. I mean, I don't really know if I can do it. Probably could. Give me the time of day. I'll learn them. But I'm really excited. I'm gonna get some sweet voiceovers and figure out with my characters what I want to do. And I've got some really cool plans for that game. Anyways, hope you enjoy. Once again, remember, rebelution. The revolution begins. Ciao.